Now we're going to look at but. So, but cannot start a sentence. You cannot start a sentence with but. That would be really bad grammar. It doesn't look good. Okay, however, I have given you 8 conjunctions that you can start a sentence with. So you can't start a sentence with yet, but these ones up, you can start a sentence with. So they always start a sentence, and after you have done it, you have to put a comma. So you see that there's a comma at the end of all of these. So always remember your comma at the end of this. So now we're going to look at how we can use these words that mean but. Alright, so let's look at the first group, which is however, on the other hand, on the other end of the spectrum, on the other side, conversely and contrarily. So we use these ones when we want to change the topic and we want to show the other side. We want to show the other side. So this paragraph that we looked at before about how to learn English, so this one was saying that you can learn English by attending class, by getting a job, and by borrowing books from the library. So that was all about, learning English. But then at the end, if we put this word however, it means I'm going to change the topic and I'm going to show the other side. So I say, however, it can take a long time to learn English. So now I'm going to talk about why it's so difficult to learn English. So before I was saying all the ways that you can learn English, but now I'm going to show the other side and talk about how it's so difficult. And, maybe you can't learn English because there are all these problems. So however changes the topic and it shows the other side. So same with conversely. You can just go conversely, it can take a long time to learn English. Alright, and we always start the sentence and a comma. Now, nevertheless and nonetheless, they are a little bit softer. They're a little bit softer because all they're doing is showing the end of a point. Rather than changing the whole topic, they're just showing you that it's the end of the topic. So we've got that paragraph, and then I say, nevertheless, it is unclear which one is the best. So I'm not really changing the topic, I'm just saying that this is the end of that now. So if you're doing an essay, you can put this towards the end of your essay. It's kind of a conjunction to end something. Okay, and last one is yet. So yet goes in the middle of a sentence and it just means but. So I didn't learn it very well, yet I still tried to finish it. So it just means but.